Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to verify your Cash App account. If you're new to Cash App or just haven't gotten around to it yet, verifying your account is key. It unlocks higher transaction limits, enhances security, and lets you send and receive money without any hitches. Plus, it's straightforward once you know the steps. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone. Open the app and log in with your email or phone number. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the icon that looks like a person in the bottom right corner. That's your hub for all personal settings. Next, look for the Verify Identity option. It might be right there on your profile page or under a settings menu. Either way, it's easy to spot. When you tap it, Cash App will ask for some basic info to confirm who you are. You'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Don't worry, this is all secure and helps protect your account. After that, you'll be prompted to link a bank account or debit card. This step is crucial because it verifies your financial details. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank. It's usually quick and involves logging into your bank's app or entering your card info. Once linked, Cash App might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your phone or even uploading a government-issued ID if needed. Sit tight while Cash App reviews your information. This typically takes just a few minutes, but it could be up to a couple of hours. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation notification, and boom, your account is fully verified. Verifying your account not only boosts your limits but also keeps your money safer from fraud. If you hit any snags along the way, check the app's help section or reach out to Cash App support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and see you in the next one.